Since there's no option to delete your Doordash account in the mobile app, you'll need to use the Doordash website. You can do this in a web browser, on a computer, phone, or tablet. If you use the Caviar app, deleting your Doordash account will also delete your Caviar account. Open any web browser and go to doordash.com. If you're using a phone or tablet, tap Continue in Browser to avoid opening the app. Next, select Sign In to sign into your Doordash account. Once you're signed in, click the three-line menu at the top left corner and select Account. Now, select Manage Account in the upper right corner. If you're using a phone or tablet and don't see this option, try dragging the page a little bit to the left. This option should be next to the Change Password option. On the Manage Account screen, select Delete Account at the bottom. Doordash will send a confirmation code to the phone number or email address on file to confirm. Once you receive the code, enter it into the website and select Verify. A confirmation message will appear, letting you know that you'll be forfeiting any credits and gift card balances. Click Continue, and then click Delete Account to confirm. If you also subscribe to DoorDash's $9.99 per month Dash Pass program, remember to cancel that separately as well.